Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be serving you this beautiful look. This look is a very conservative look. Don't mind the hair. How to explain this look, but in the course of the video you understand what I'm saying. And this is like, I used like 90% of the products that I used were drugstore products. Like even the eye pencil that I used is Davis eye pencil. Davis eye pencil in Lagos is like maybe 50 naira. Like, I wanted to show you the technique to achieving flawless makeup without using very expensive products. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. And in my opinion, I feel that your primer is really what makes all the difference. Most of the drugstore cheap primers that they sell, they don't work. They are even oil based, even for your primer. So, and most of the drugstore makeup, like most of the drugstore foundations that I know of, they are like they are very oily. No matter how they tell you it is matte, most of them have like oils in them. So it is very difficult for most of these drugstore products to last you since like the start of your day till like the end of your day, and you still have that flawless finish. I'm yet to see it. Please, if you know of any, tag me. It is not how expensive the products are, it is the application that really matters. That being said, if you want to see how we got this look, if you want to see how, like, this look is just blush, and there was no contour. You get. So I've already drawn this part of my brows. Now I want this video to be very, very relatable, because a lot of people keep saying the pencils I use, they are high end, this one that I'm using is high end and all of that. So I want to try and incorporate high end brands and drugstore products. By drugstore I mean cheap products. So that pencil is a Davis pencil. Like, this pencil has been saving lives since I was in Nigeria. Like, this pencil maybe like 50 or 100 naira in Nigeria. So I'm going to be using this pencil to tell you that you can actually achieve. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that you can actually achieve a very beautiful, flawless look with cheap products. It just depends on the technique and what you use. That's why I say that you can never go wrong with a good primer. When you have a good primer, it's always, it's just very easy. You know, it's just like you want to build a house and your foundation is bad. You know, the house can never ever be stable. It's just like makeup. Just think of makeup like that. Think of makeup like your foundation has to be solid. When I mean your foundation, I mean your moisturizer, I mean your primer. It is not the actual makeup itself. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So we're going to be using this Lifesaver pencil. So I've already primed my eyebrows as usual, and I'm just going to be drawing my eyebrows. If you want to see a full detail of how I achieve my brows, please just go on to the last video that I did and you're going to see it. Also, always make sure that your brow pencil is always sharpened. What works for me when I'm in a hurry is doing my eyebrow first and then going to my foundation. I find that to save a lot of time, especially if you're going to work. You don't want to do your eyeshadow, do your eyebrow and all those things. You want to just go straight to your eyebrows, go straight to the most important like aspect of your face before you quickly add that. So even if you don't do like the other ones, at least your foundation, your eyebrows are on point. So that's what I would really advise. So now that our foundation is on, and I used L'Oreal True Match in warm and neutral. See, I'm really doing drugstore. That's when people say that I don't do drugstore. I'm doing drugstore now. So we're going to move straight up to our highlights. Why it is very important to highlight your under eye is because of your eye bags. You are going to work, like, you probably didn't sleep well, you probably didn't have enough sleep, and you have your eye bag under your eye. That is why I would advise that you go straight, that you go straight to your under eye. If you don't have time, do your highlight, do your foundation, and just blend everything together. So what you want to do now is just go straight with your powder. No setting of the under eye, nothing. We are going to work, remember, we have to be in a hurry. No contour safe. And when you are using your powder, remember that you are patting your powder onto your face. You are not swiping, you are patting like so. So it's entering your skin. Can you see? We already have a good face. Like, we can just leave the house like this. Yes, we can leave the house. Alright? So because we're in a hurry, what we want to do is, I don't know what to do. Just grab our eyeshadow. You don't need to prime your eyes. I'm going to just go in with a neutral eyeshadow, and I'm just going to, you know, pat it on my lid. I'm just going to be using a fluffy brush like this. Can you see? Over my lid and just blend it out. We don't have time. We don't have time. We have to, you know, go rush for that meeting, but we still want to look good. You get it? And you might be tempted to use another eyeshadow. You might just put that one on your lid just to add, like, you know, a pop of color. If you don't want it to be too, you know, with the same brush, because we are in a hurry, we have to leave. And usually if I'm in a hurry, I probably would not even try to do my eyeliner. So don't even bother with your eyeliner. I would rather do my lashes. My lashes are very important. So at this point, you can actually skip your lash. I'm going to be doing lashes because obviously I'm going to be taking pictures after this one. But for the purpose of going to work and being in a hurry, just throw on your mascara. You know, just look for a very good mascara that will elongate your lashes, and you don't need to fix lashes, because lashes is just a waste of time, honestly. But I'm going to fix my lash off camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm back after my lashes. Like, lashes for me is a must. I have to. So after that, if you decide to just use your mascara, that's totally fine. It's up to you. So after that, we just go straight up to our waterline, and you just use the black pencil to just line your waterline, and you just want to go straight to your blush. Like, this is the classic look we always do back in the day without the contour, highlight, and all those things. Like, nobody had time that time. You know? And you just go over to your lipstick. The Jordana lip liner in Melot. NYX, LA Girl, all those drugstore. You can use any of their wine pencil. I'm going to be going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Milan. Don't forget, guys, you always want to set your face. Always set your face with a mattifying setting spray. Don't use setting spray that has glow, that has oil. You know, just use setting sprays that are matte, like very matte. You can use the MAC Fix Plus. Don't use the MAC Matte Fix Plus. Use the regular matte. Use the regular MAC Fix Plus. You understand? So I'm just going to be setting my face now, and I'm using the Juba Cosmetics finishing spray. And there you have it. Like, this look should not take you more than 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We did not highlight, we highlighted, we did not contour, we did not bake, we did not contour the nose. Like, this is like a how you were born. So this is the look, guys. I didn't even use highlights, guys. I did not use a highlight because normally if I'm going to work, I don't want to be all shiny. Even if you want to use a highlight, just use a very, very, very subtle highlight. So for the purpose of the class, I'm going to be using a highlight, which is not even necessary. Like, with this look, this is just a, can you see what I did? Very, very simple, easy to do look, guys. You don't even need to go overboard with this. With this, you can go to work, you can go for your meeting, you can go conquer the world, girls. So try and recreate this look, and you know, tag me once you have done that. With the eyebrow tutorial, oh my god, like, I received a very, very nice compliment from people. Like, people try to, you know, do their brows and felt very good to themselves, and it just brings me joy when I hear stories like that, you know. But I find it very, very appreciative when somebody just watches my video and, you know, they just learn one or two things. Now, can you see how flawless and how smooth my face looks? It's because of the base that I used, because I used a very good primer. If I did not use a good primer, by now maybe my face would have been like bringing out oils and everything. But because my face is already matte, because of the primer that I used, like, it has soaked everything up. Even because most of the drugstore foundations are very oily, they are very, very oily. So if you don't use a very good mattifying primer, you're going to have issues. So I'm glad you can see that it is not about how expensive the product is, but it is about the skill, the technique, and the way the application is what matters in makeup. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. I hope you like it as much as I did like it. Please subscribe, share my videos, and thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye, and stay beautiful. I love you. Karishika. Barbie girl. Incorporate high-end brands and like very, very low. I want to incorporate high-end and